Okay, Marisa, read it. So this morning, I want to talk about confidence. How you can be confident as a young person. You know, most of us have a problem with low self-esteem. A lot of us, we have this big problem with low self-esteem. That's why this morning I have some few points on the board to share with you how you can be confident as a young person. I'm not here to talk about how you are going to attain your objective, how to be successful. No, it's confident, like personal confidence. Number one, know yourself, skin type, and what fits or suits you best. Know yourself. A lot of us young people, we are going through a lot because we don't know ourselves. When you know yourself, you know your skin type, you know the kind of dresses to fit you, that's the first thing that will build your confidence. When you dress according to your skin type, you can flow anyhow that you want to flow. You can demonstrate, you can be enthusiastic. But now, when you don't dress confidently, you don't dress according to your skin type, you yourself, you know you're uncomfortable. True of us. True. A lot of times, if you don't dress well, you're always uncomfortable. Especially when you want to pass among people. There's a way there's a way you keep your body. You are not really confident. But now, when you know yourself, and the kind of dresses that fit you, the kind of clothes that fit you, even when it comes to hairstyle, there's a kind of hairstyle that you do. After 2 days, you go and undo it. Why? Because the thing did not fit you. So as a young person, know your skin type. Know the kind of dresses that fit you. Know that there are different types of occasion and there are different ways to dress. Imagine you going to a wedding as a young girl and you wear kaba. Imagine you going to a wedding as a young girl, you wear kole with crop top. You will not be confident because everybody just looking at you like, who is this one? So all these things, when you know yourself, you know your skin type, you know times and seasons, you know occasions, it will help you to dress well. Number two, speak positively about yourself. In bracket, affirmations. I've told you both this time and again. The most beautiful person on earth is you. Have you ever gone to Moliko and you see somebody that resembles you?
No.
No one.
Have you? Have you ever looked in the mirror and you look here, you see there's somebody that has the same face like you?
No.
There is no one like you. Always look in the mirror and compliment yourself. There's no one else like you. That's why speak positively about yourself. I am blessed. I am favored. I carry grace. My head is blessed. My hands are blessed. My legs are blessed. Wherever I go to, people will favor me. Some of us, we speak too much negativity about ourselves. Even this office, you can testify. Santus. When he was saying that something was kill a man, something was kill a man, the thing was dealing with him. See, it was like dumb was supposed to during that period of time. That brings me to number two. Number three, you are unique. You are unique. The way your eyes are, very unique. The way your hands, your body is created, unique. There's no one else like you. That's when I talk about unique. I say you are, there is no one else like you. You are unique in the way you talk. You know that some people when you talk, you say you are talking like a child, look at your voice. You know you have a good voice. No. That's why you are the only one that have that voice. There's some people that when they want to talk, they say, you're a stammerer, shut up, keep quiet. Those people want to shut you down. Don't accept to eat. There's nobody else that talks like you. That's why you're the only one making it because you are unique. When you want to walk, they say you're not walking very well. You're supposed to walk like this, walk like this. You cannot be walking like this. No. That's why you're walking like that, because there's no one like you. Find out what makes you happy. What makes you happy? I know most of you stand here, it is food. That one, we cannot argue even if you go to court. It is food. Most of you here, when you see food, your mood change. Like the way you carry your skin. Even they say dry clean is often now when you see food. The way you dry clean, some of you, what makes you happy is food. You know that when you are not eating it, you are very angry, aggressive. In fact, they say that what an angry man, a hungry man is an angry man. Some of you, what makes you happy is food, but you have always denied yourself from eating food. You don't want to eat. If you know that it is food that makes you happy, eat. If you know it is music that makes you happy, keep yourself around good music. If you know that it is a company that you keep when you are with people, it makes you happy, keep yourself around those people that makes you feel happy. Number 5, spend time with yourself. Most of you cannot stay up by yourself for 30 minutes. It's like there's something inside your body that's itching you. See, sometimes spend time with yourself. Just sit with yourself, have a conversation. Steph, how are you? Like, is everything okay? Like, are you on track? Like, the way your brain is thinking right now, is it okay? Like, Steph, are you really okay? Do you have any ask if are you okay? And you're like, no, I'm not okay. It is good though. Always ask yourself, when you spend time with yourself, have a conversation with yourself. There are always two voices. This one I'm talking about what is inside my heart. Because when I'm saying this, I cannot be talking and immediately I'm thinking about something. So when you spend time like this, you somebody talking to themselves and then all of a sudden like this, is this going?
Yes.
Yes, you are just quiet and then all of a sudden you are like, it is going. So as a young person, learn to spend time with yourself. That's why I say sometimes you go by the riverside. Just sit there. Everywhere is quiet. Or under a tree, mango tree, pear tree, plum tree. Quiet. You can even pay transport, go to Limbe just to go and stay in the garden alone.
That's good.
Alone. Spend that time alone with yourself. It will help build your confidence. You don't need to always surround yourself with people all the time. Learn to be all by yourself. Number 6, know your friends. I cannot even emphasize on this point a lot. Know your friends because they contribute a lot to how you think and how you feel about yourself. There are these friends whereby anytime you're like, today I just collected my salary, it means everything. Are you the first person? Papa, don't stress me. Immediately you see yourself, you're like, did I do anything wrong? So who are your friends? What's the company you keep? What is their contribution to your life? What relationship do you have with them? There are friends that when you spend more time with them, they say drain your confidence. You see you have dressed well and you ask a friend, thank God, me, I never ask anybody how do I look. Me, I don't ask people how do I look. See, I don't have a dressing mirror. I have a small mirror. When I look at my face, Steph, you are a queen, nice day. And I leave my house. So by the time I'm coming here, I say, hey, Steph, I have clothes, so you are not normal. Before I wore that dress, I look at it very well. So I know how this dress is supposed to look on me. So then you ask me, what kind of dress is that? It's spirit of jealousy, and I cannot allow you to spoil my day. I cannot. So there are some friends that they will never compliment you. Therefore, let go of those friends so that you can keep that level of confidence in you. You can keep that energy. That's why you must know your friends. What's their contribution to your life? Every time you're with them, Bo, I just got a new bag. Number 7, gift yourself. Where? What is it now? Gift yourself. For you to be confident, you must learn to gift yourself. Some of you are here. December, you bought your child dresses, shoes, everything. You bought Maggie, sent to your mother. Then you went to a salon and they should plait you bakara. Yes, that's what you know. You went to a salon, they should do you bakara. Even good earrings, you don't have it. All the things that you have is Chinese. There's nothing there that you can be proud of. Like, this is something that I really bought for myself. This is my birthday. This is something I really bought for myself. I know it is tough because we are having so many dreams in our head. But once in a while, reward yourself. You see, attain those dreams. Once in a while, buy a good pair of shoes. In fact, go to the market, buy original breastwear. Buy original pants. Every time you go to where they sell 3 for 200, that's where you go and buy your pants. And that's how I wear it, so they have feather. Reward yourself. Buy yourself things that are good. You give everybody, but when it comes to you, you have the worst. Something even happen and they say they are running to an occasion, you are looking at wardrobe, you scatter all your bag, you don't have a dress to wear, but you are working the money. You are working the money. Some of you all your money. You never have time to get yourself something good. To be confident is to gift yourself. Number 8, which is my last point, I beg. Eat well. Eat well. For you to be confident, you must eat well. You cannot be confident with starvation. See, no matter how beautiful you are doing your makeup, once you're hungry, even that makeup will twist. If like the contour, how? Even the contour, how? Once you are hungry, everything change. Well, use good lotions on your skin. That will make you confident, please. Even if it's once in a day, brush your mouth. Apply all this. It will make you stand out. It will make you feel who you really are. You know, suppose my slogan says that word, confidence makes you stand out. To be sincere, confidence will make you stand out. When they just say something here now that who can come and excite the whole, bam, you just can. Confidence.